깨보세요. 네? 거의 뺄게요.
Take this burden with broken leg. We can nurse it. She said, come inside for a little lie down with me. If you fall asleep then wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, her makeup is on my shoulder. Tell her if you lie down, would you stay now? Let me hold you. Oh, but if I kiss you, will your mind resist you? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do. It's not complete yet. Mustn't get my feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. Oh,
my little bird,
my little bird.
take a walk out this morning dew. We can lay down so next to you. Come inside for a homemade tea. And if you fall asleep then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, say it's late love,
Go back to sleep.
I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me.
But if I kiss you, will your mind resist you? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do. It's not complete yet. Mustn't get my feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. Oh,
My little bird,
my little bird, my little bird, my little bird.
and of all these things I'm sure of, I'm not quite certain of your love. You make me scream, then I made you cry. When I left that little bird, when it's broken, went to die. And if I kiss you, will your mind resist you? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do.
It's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. Oh,